Hi listeners. Welcome back to Kokotjan channel. Learning English through stories. Now you're going to listen to an English short story. Then write in your comment. What's your suggestion the best title for the story? Let's start listening now. 77. Mr. Hodges was the owner and editor of a small newspaper. He always tried to bring his readers the latest news. One day, he received an excited telephone call from someone who claimed that he had just come through a big flood in a village up in the mountains. He described the flood in great detail, and Mr. Hodges wrote it all down and printed it in his paper that evening. He was delighted to see that no other paper had got hold of the story. Unfortunately, however, angry telephone calls soon showed that he had been tricked, so in the next day's paper he wrote, "We were the first and only newspaper to report yesterday that the village of Greenbridge had been destroyed by a flood. Today, we are proud to say that we are again the first newspaper to bring our readers the news that yesterday's story was quite false."
Find out the best title for the story. If you find it useful for you, please subscribe, give comment, and share this link to others. Thank you.